Hi guys, welcome to Pit Stop. How's it going, guys? So today I have come up with a very short review of a brilliant car. As you can see behind me, this is the all new Polo TSI variant. So we all know that now Polo has been launched in the 1 liter TSI variant. So it's like a turbo petrol era. So everything is been turbo petrol. The Polo, the Vento, even if you ask me what is in turbo, yeah, the Skoda Rapid, everything is coming up in turbo petrol variants, and it comes with the same engine. So this car, what you see behind me, is 10-year-old. Yeah, 10 years old. This is the age of this car is 10, to be very precise. If you ask, there are no cosmetic upgrades, there are no cosmetic changes, everything is pretty old. Let me just show you. Okay, so this is the new Polo. If you ask me, it looks pretty old, right? But this design is absolutely brilliant, I would say, because it still looks modern in a pretty way, but you know, it doesn't get LED DRLs. It just gets dual headlamps, dual projector headlamps and turn indicators, and there is a new honeycomb grille. Hope you can see that, and Volkswagen badges, nothing specific, nothing new, and it's very old basic design, same alloy designs, and it comes with Goodyear tires in this variant, and it is 16-inch alloys. The alloys looks pretty stylish, I would say. So what else other than the alloys? This gets turn indicators on the side mirrors, that's okayish, and no keyless entry if you ask me. But the build quality of the Polo is pretty brilliant. That's what it stands for, right? So build quality is pretty brilliant, and nothing specific. So actually, when it was launched, there is a TSI badging over here, guys, for you, especially for the TSI lovers. And nothing special actually to talk about the design or to talk about the cosmetic changes. It gets rear wipers, very useful. So before showing the interiors, let me just talk about the new Polo. So this new Polo actually came up with a a TSI additional package, which gets stickers on the sides and also stickers on the roof, so that it comes as a package with a roof additional black spoiler as well. So now Volkswagen has stopped that additional package, and it's just this simple Polo. So earlier what they were doing is that after the registration, the dealers will put on the stickers and dealers will put on the roof spoiler and additional packages for the customers. So before the registration, it's just a clean Volkswagen Polo. It will just look like this, and now they have also stopped the additional accessory package as well. So now it's just this Volkswagen Polo TSI. So in the Polo variant, you get the new TSI engine, 1 liter turbo TSI engine, and also you get the old MPI engine as well. Okay guys, so we are inside the Volkswagen Polo, and what you want me to talk about the new Polo? I'm not sure, because everything is pretty old, but I will have to start with the steering, right? So we have all the options. If you ask me, like, we have the cruise control and all, and everything comes in the new Polo, but the major thing which I like the most is the steering touch and feel, because the build quality of Volkswagen cars is pretty awesome, I should say, because it's excellent. You touch any part, you touch the door handles, or any part of the interiors or exteriors, you will feel that build quality in each and every part of the car. So let it be any Volkswagen. That is one brilliant thing, I would say. So apart from that, there is a new screen here. So you have all the basic things. There is no navigation option. You have this Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and all those Bluetooth connectivity and stuff. And below that, the AC controls comes in. We have the new 6-speed manual gearbox. There are 2 cup holders here, and below the handrest there is a small space where you can keep all your stuff. So other than that, there is nothing much to talk about the interiors, if you ask me. Absolute brilliant build quality is something very special about the Polo from the beginning, right? So even the interiors are it's looking neat and everything, but still some modern tech has to come inside, is what I feel, because it's 2020, right? All cars are coming with all the latest and modern technology and features. So but this is a proper proper driver's car. That's why Volkswagen is not even considering the back seat spacing, because in the back seat, if you ask me, space is pretty much less, and maybe two people can sit. And if the seat is set as per my configuration, then I don't think anybody will be comfortable at the back. So that is one thing which I want to really tell. But forget all that. We are going to drive the Volkswagen Polo new 1 liter TSI engine, turbo petrol engine, and find out how good the engine really is to drive. So 110 HP of maximum power and 175 Newton meters of torque in a brilliant driver's car. Already the chassis is brilliant. Already it's a brilliant handling car. Let us find out how cool it has made the Polo, how cooler it has made the new Polo with the new 1 liter turbo petrol engine. So let's kickstart the drive, guys. So guys, let me just quickly drive the turbo petrol, because I'm very much excited with Volkswagen's turbo petrol, 1 liter turbo petrol. I'm not a big fan of 1 liter turbo petrol, but Volkswagen it is, right? So the engine refinement, the performance should be matching. Let me just turn on the car and let me just see how good it sounds. Okay, first thing I can notice is that 6500 RPM is the RPM red line. That's pretty awesome. 6-speed manual gearbox, right? So let me just start the car. Ooh, that's pretty awesome. 6500 RPM is the red line, and it's a blast to drive, I should say. So just see, the engine feels like, you know, it's very much refined, very refined. Even if you are taking it to the red line, there are no hiccups. The engine sounds very much refined. That refined sound only is coming. That's pretty interesting, I should say. Steering feedback is as usual Polo quality, I would say. And you know, this amazing chassis of this car is what it makes a brilliant handling car. So this is still one of the best driving hot hatch you can buy in India today, because for this price I don't think you will get any car which will match the performance and handling of the Polo. I'll show you the launch once again. I'm sure you will be impressed. Okay. Woo! 6500 RPM, second gear. 0 to 100 comes in 9.2 seconds. That is below 10 seconds. Okay. Wow. The brakes, 120 km per hour, and the brakes, and I'm very much confident with the braking. Okay, let me turn the car, and it's a really, it feels like a go-kart, I should say, because, you know, with its small dimensions and power-packed engine, this really feels like a go-kart. Go-kart. Volkswagen's Polo 1 liter TSI is just a go-kart for me. If you want a proper hot hatch below 10 lakh rupee price tag, if you don't care for your family, if you don't care for your rear seat spacing, if you don't care about the fuel efficiency, then this is the car for you. Seriously, this is the car for you. So guys, our drive with the Volkswagen new Polo 1 liter turbo is done and dusted, and you know, despite the age, I'm seriously loving the way it's handling and love the way it performs on the road, right? So with this price tag, for example, it costs 8 lakh on 8 lakh ex-showroom, and on-road price come close to 9.2 lakh or something. So in this category, actually you can buy a compact SUV itself. So it's more practical, right, buying a compact SUV. But still, if you have a very small family, or if you are very much oriented towards the performance of a car, this is a very hot hatch, and this is the best car you can buy in terms of performance, I am telling. So of course the features and the rear seat spacing and all is a bit of a problem actually, but still this is a hot hatch you can buy in the market today. And that's it, guys. It's a small quick drive of the 1 liter turbo petrol. It's time to return the car, so let me return the car, guys. So before that, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications, and please follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Bye bye.